Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to slow down and add reverb to your song in CapCut. So open your CapCut application and add a project which you want to edit. Now once it has been added to your timeline, you need to go ahead and extract the audio first. Select the video and select extract audio. Select the audio, and from the bottom of the screen, you need to go ahead and find the option of speed. Go ahead and select it. Now set the speed to 0.8 and select change audio pitch. Then after, select the tick button from the bottom right. And now next, find the audio effect option and select it. Now select the mic hog option. Then tap on it again to adjust the settings. Increase the room size to 70 and decrease the strength to 30. Tap the check mark in the top and you'll be done. Now play back the song and hopefully you'll like the new song. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.